Setting limits and boundaries in your business helps to prevent burnout, especially if you're a solopreneur and you're doing everything in your business on your own. You need to take time to enjoy your personal life as well, but many business owners have a hard time delegating or allowing others to help. I get it. I know it's hard to ask for help, but when you own your own business, you need to decide where your strengths and weaknesses are. In the third episode of this week's 5-episode podcast series about common mistakes business owners make, you'll learn about setting boundaries in your business so that you're able to always be the best you can be for your business. Setting limits is a skill that many of the most successful business owners master, and it doesn't matter if you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, small business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. We'll talk about how you can lower your stress level and enjoy your life, even when you own your own business. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Hey there! If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, you're building your business and you're serious about growing your business to your first 6 figures, trending towards multiple 6 figures, or even 7 figures, I want to invite you to join me in a free consultation call. I've created a business strategy and growth program that is the program that you need that helps you take your business to the next level. It sets the foundation for you to build, grow, and scale your dream business for the long term. It's for you if you are a business owner who desires to build a successful business and you want to do it in the most accelerated, streamlined, and sustainable way, and in a way that aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. I'm really proud of the work that my clients and I do in this program and the transformation that happens for my clients through this one-on-one consulting process so that they can fully reach their dreams, set the foundation for their business, and create belief and actions to achieve what is possible by taking control and understanding their business, which leads to a balanced and more fulfilled life. There are limited spots available because of the very high level of support included in this program, and because I'm also very serious about helping my clients get results. I'm helping clients get their businesses started, be more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal life. Your business finances are impacted by much more than just your bookkeeping and financial knowledge. You need a solid business foundation. During your consultation session, we'll work together to go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. If this sounds like you, I want you to sign up for one of my free consultation sessions. And if you're at a place where you know that you're ready for this level of business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support with high-level business discussions that will give you the exact next steps and the ability to reach your goals and achievements, let's get on a call so that we can talk about and see what's possible for you and your business this year. You can go to financialadventure.com/contact-us to schedule your call today. I'll post the link in the show notes for you as well. Welcome back, and welcome to the third of the 5 podcast series I have for you this week, where I'm talking about some of the most common mistakes business owners have been known to make in their business. I want you to be aware of these mistakes and take action to make sure that you don't make the same mistakes in your business. Today, we'll focus on setting limits and boundaries in your business. When you're just getting your business started, there may be times when you feel like you need to do all the tasks in your business, even if you don't feel like you're qualified to do the work. This may happen because you don't have the additional funds to hire or get the help that you need. But I want you to know that this is not something that you should plan on doing for the duration of your business. Understanding your strengths and weaknesses is the first step that you should take in your business so that you know where you should start getting the help that you need when you're able to afford it. When you're aware of the help that you're going to need, you can begin to think about precisely the type of person that you would like to have on your team from the beginning. When you're ready to hire or outsource these tasks, you'll be fully aware of the help that will propel your business forward. Until you're ready to hire or grow your team, you want to ensure that you're taking advantage of technology to save you time and money. Even if there's a small price to pay for the technology that will help you, compare that price to the value of the time that you'll be saving by making this investment. Take some time to really think about what your time is worth. Many business owners don't feel that their time has any value since there isn't a dollar amount tied to it. But every business owner needs to understand how much their time is worth to make smart decisions in their business. You might be surprised at just how valuable your time is. Next, create a standard process for the tasks that you do in your business whenever you can. Once you've created these standard processes, you can fine-tune them so that you can again save yourself more of your valuable time. This will also come in handy when you begin to grow your team, since they'll have the exact steps that you want your new help to do so that they can complete the tasks that you're currently doing in a very similar manner. I want you to grab your calendar and schedule free time for yourself so that you have blocked off time for yourself and you're able to enjoy these moments every single day. That's right, I said schedule your free time. By doing this, you'll be able to think much clearer when you get back to working in your business. Enjoying some time for yourself or spending time with your family and friends will also help reduce your stress levels. By taking a step away from your business, you can start each day with an open mind and ready to jump back into running your business. Make sure you set your boundaries and create a work-life balance that you're happy with. I want you to create a business that you enjoy, not a business that is running your life. I know many of you who are already on the wait list, patiently waiting for the registration to open for my Strategic Bookkeeping Academy, are going to be excited because I'm happy to announce that I'm ready to open registration. Take a second and make a note that the Strategic Bookkeeping Academy is launching on June 15th. Also note that from June 15th through June 17th, there will be a promotion for founding members. This means that I created this new program and I can't wait for you to join and start taking control of your business, gain a deeper understanding, and master your small business finances. This program will help you understand exactly what you need to do when you're doing your own bookkeeping for your business. It's also helpful for bookkeepers who are still working on their processes to deliver the best bookkeeping service to their clients. Having over 25 years of experience working with business owners, I understand where they struggle. And this program is designed to help service-based business owners do their own bookkeeping with ease by utilizing processes and technology to save them time and money. Since this program is new, I also created a special bonus for you when you sign up in the first couple of days the program's open. So if you want more information, if you can't wait to join, or you're curious to learn more about the Strategic Bookkeeping Academy for service-based business owners, come and join the waitlist. It's very important for you to join the waitlist if you want to grab the special founding member opportunities during the promotional period. If you miss this promotional period, you can still purchase the program, but not for the promotional price. You can get on the waitlist by going to financialadventure.com/SBA and clicking on the waitlist button. Enter your email address and I'll send you the information to register during the promotional period. I can't wait to see you in the program. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and bookkeepers where you're listening to this podcast and in the show notes. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you will take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.